age that I am. And the other thing that happens is there are two things that happen. Either you're sticking to wanting to be a 20-year-old or 30-year-old still, or the other thing that happens is that the moment you're older, they want आपको कॉटन साड़ी पहना के और मेकअप उतार के, मतलब ऐसा क्या है कि आप एक उम्र के हो जाने के बाद कि आप खूबसूरत नहीं होते? ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है? I think I'm very good looking at my age 100%. And I want to live that and I want to celebrate that. So I was very sure that when I come back, I wanted a character that had depth to it. I played my age and I was not ashamed of how I looked.
I didn't consider myself good looking. I was very worried about my teeth, very thin lips, आंखें बड़ी नहीं है, सुप्री की आंखें देखो कितनी अच्छी है. But it didn't really bother me, you know, because I think I was focused on that I wanted to build myself as a whole person, not merely as a person who looks like X or,
But ये समझ तब थी आपको में?
नहीं, consciously शायद नहीं थी. The women I hung with were so not involved with the way they looked. There were many other things we could talk about. This focus on the way you look, the way you dress, the way you present yourself as an attractive person was not so intense, I would think, at that time. At least I was always pushed to think of myself as a person who's going to contribute something useful to the world. So दिमाग चलाओ बेटा, ये क्या जैसी दिखती हो दिखोगी, पर आगे बढ़ाओ, कुछ और सीखो, कुछ और करो. So that was the push.
Fortunately, you know, तो काली है. Actually ये सब चीज़ें मुझे बाद में पता है, बॉम्बे आने के बाद realize हुई, you know, about this whole fairness cream, anti-fairness cream campaigns, this, that. When all these things started happening, that time I got awareness that oh, so जो हंसी मजाक में लोग मुझे बोलते थे वो मेरा मजाक उड़ाते थे. Now I'm very vocal about them. That's why I don't feel bad and nobody should feel bad about whatever skin complexion they have.
और acne.
Yeah, मतलब ठीक है, अपनी skin है, अपनी body है, जितना हम best कर सकते हैं हम करेंगे. But every body, every skin, every shape is very, very beautiful in its own way.
And what I actually feel is a lot of body image issues and a lot of body insecurities that I felt when I was like, what, 12 or 13-year-old, because when I was a teenager, I've you know, a lot of aunties shame you for not being a skinny girl and all. So
oh, God.
I come from a very Punjabi household where women would have zero filter कि ऐता बड़ी मोटी हो गई है. They would just like come and say that to me. And initially all of that was fun because all of these aunties are damn hilarious. But after a while,
and now you're always imitating them. Now. That's why you're a pro.
That's why somebody asked me yesterday that why do you do this and what is your inspiration? I was like, it's all my past trauma.
And all your real life situations that you're bringing.
All the past trauma, everything that has been said to me about machalti necklines, about तो बड़े थुल हो गए हैं. So I just like channel it, and people find it funny because I think aunties leave
They
nobody.
actually say that?
Yeah. Yes.
But you know, camera पे हम, I think सब जानते हैं कि हम मोटे लगते हैं. But I think everyone knows that वो होता है.
Yeah.
So when you're shooting a video, are you conscious of that? आप कभी अपने team से कहते हो कि you know, like this is the right angle, that is the right angle, or are you just like cool about shooting it?
I have to tell you this. So my team tells me this. I don't care because I'm a very like bindas, open. Like right now also, like I want to be conscious about how this side of my body is looking, but I'm not because I'm just so happy that I'm sitting across. I try to fold my legs in the middle and I was like, oh shit, it's not looking nice. And I think somebody from the team is going to be like, don't sit like that. My team takes care of that. There's so many times I would do something like this and they'd be like,
Okay.